Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, children.
Very, very good afternoon, ma'am.
Very good afternoon. Children, today you will read about Indian polity. Earlier you had read about coinage. Today you will read about Indian polity. India has a democratic form of government in which people have the right to choose their own government. All of you know in India there is democracy. Okay? Means to the people, for the people and by the people. Okay? So there is democracy in our country. Given below are some questions related to Indian politics. Read them carefully and take the correct answer. Like, who is the chairman of the Rajya Sabha? Three options are there: President, Speaker, Vice President. It is Vice President. Vice President is the chairman of the Rajya Sabha. Next, what is the first hour of every sitting of the Lok Sabha called? It is question hour. Okay? First sitting of the Lok Sabha is question hour. Next, who among the following can take part in the proceedings of either House of Parliament? Can you say? Solicitor General. Solicitor General can take part in the proceedings of either House of Parliament. How many houses are there in Parliament? Name them. Lok Sabha is also known as, and Rajya Sabha is known as,
Upper house.
Rajya Sabha is known as upper house and Lok Sabha is known as lower house.
Lower house.
Next,
Ma'am, other general knowledge.
next is fourth number. Who discharges all the administrative and executive functions on behalf of and in the name of the chairman of the Rajya Sabha? Secretary General. Okay? Secretary General. Next, who presides over the proceedings of the Rajya Sabha when the offices of both chairman and deputy chairman are vacant? It is chairman pro turn. Chairman pro turn. Next, whom does the Indian Constitution vest the executive power of the Union? President. Okay?
Prime Minister.
Not Prime Minister, President. Executive power is vested in President. Next, what is the legislative proposal in the form of a bill brought forward by a minister known as, it is government bill. Okay? This bill is government bill. Next, which of the following provisions of the Indian Constitution contains the ideals the government should strive for? It is directive principles of state policy. Okay? Next, who was the first Chief Justice of India? Can you name?
H.J. Kama.
Yes, H.J. Kama was the first Chief Justice of India. Next, under which of the following articles can financial emergency be imposed? It is Article 360. Okay, financial emergency is imposed under which article? Article 360. Now, next page is about fact file.
Indian Railway.
Fact file. Indian Railways. It is about Indian Railways. Indian Railways is known to be the largest network in Asia and the world's largest railway system under a single management. It is very important. World's largest railway system and largest network in Asia. It is Indian Railway. The total distance covered by Indian Railways every day equals 3.5 times the distance to moon. The distance of the moon 3.5 times more than this distance is the total distance covered by Indian Railway every day. ठीक है ना? Next, 42 railway companies operated in the country before independence. How many railway companies were operated? 42.
42. 42.
Yes. Next is the first train. Do you know what was the first train in India and from where it started? Thane, 1853. Yes, the first train in India was flagged off on 16 April 1853 between Boribandar and Thane, a distance of 34 kilometers. Bombay government declared that day as a public holiday. Okay, it was 16 April 1853 when the first train in India was flagged off. Next, double-decker coaches were introduced on Bombay-Surat train due to overcrowding, which became a problem in 1862. Double-decker bus also you must have seen. It was double-decker train in Mumbai. It was introduced in Mumbai-Surat train due to overcrowding, which became a problem in 1862. And when it was started, Indian Railway, 1853. Okay?
1853.
Now next, the Indian Mountain Railways, the Darjeeling Himalayan Railways, Nilgiri Mountain Railways and Kalka Shimla Railways have been functional for 100 years and have been listed in UNESCO World Heritage Site. Do you know what is full form of UNESCO? UNESCO World Heritage Site. These Indian mountain railways like Darjeeling Himalayan Railways, Nilgiri Mountain Railways and Kalka Shimla Railways, these were the functional for 100 years and have been listed in UNESCO World Heritage Site. What is full form of UNESCO? United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. You can note down. UNESCO full form is United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. All of you have noted down your routine?
Yes, ma'am.
Should I clean the blackboard?
Yes, ma'am.
Somebody is saying no?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, National Rail Museum has an exotic collection of over 100 real-size exhibits of Indian Railways. So this is fact file, you should memorize it. Some questions may be from this fact file also. Most of the questions will be from fact file and test your wisdom. So you will complete your book and you will learn it. Am I clear? Test your wisdom. Page number 75. State whether the following statements are true or false. Harz is the mountain range in America. It is false. Next, Marmara Sea separates Europe and Asia. It is true. Marmara Sea separates Europe and Asia. It is true. Next, Bahadur Shah II was arrested by Alfred Jody at the Red Fort. It is false. Next, Godavari is known as the Ganga of South India. It is true. You have read. Godavari is known as the Ganga of the South India. True. Now, next, the Britishers were the first to arrive in India. False. Who arrived first? Can you name?
Vasco da Gama the 40.
What was he? Portuguese. Correct answer. Portuguese, Dutch. Then, like this, you have to learn in serial order. है ना? So, these Britishers were the first to arrive in India. It is wrong. Portuguese arrived first in India. So, it is wrong. Next. Following sentences have some words or dates which are wrongly printed. Words or dates are wrongly printed. Find the error and write the correct information in the space provided. You have to find out the error, mistake, and you have to correct the mistake. Like first one is Akbar was a Mauryan ruler. Was Akbar a Mauryan ruler? He was a Mughal ruler. Okay. So you have to replace Mauryan from which word? Mughal. In place of Mauryan you have to write Mughal. Next. Champaran Satyagraha was started by Nehru. Wrong. It was started by Mahatma Gandhi. And when it was started? Date? Can any one of you say date when Satyagraha, Champaran Satyagraha was started? Can any one of you say, children? Connecting. Wait. So, Champaran Satyagraha was started not by Nehru, it was started by Mahatma Gandhi. In which year? Perhaps in 1927. Perhaps 1927. Okay, today you will consult your book and tomorrow you will inform me. Day after tomorrow you will be coming, not tomorrow. Next. Washington DC stands on the river Cam. Do you remember where Washington DC is located? River, bank of river. Potomac. Washington DC stands on the river Potomac. Next, American Revolution began in 1776. It is false. American Revolution began in 1775. Okay. Next, H.J. Kama was the fifth Chief Justice of India.
First Chief Justice.
H.J. Kama was the first Chief Justice of India. Next is fill in the blanks. Next question is fill in the blanks, third number. Dash is the highest mountain peak in India outside the Himalayan mountain range. It is Anai Peak. Anai Peak is the highest mountain peak in India outside the Himalayan mountain range. Next, Dash Sea is on the west coast of India. In fill in the blanks, you have to fill Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea is on the west coast of India. Okay. Next, third number. Simoon is the name of the wind which blows in dash Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia.
ठीक है, Saudi Arabia. This Simoon wind blows in Saudi Arabia. As Simoon starts with S letter and Saudi Arabia also starts with S letter. So you can keep it in mind that Simoon is the name of the wind that blows in Saudi Arabia. Next, Dash is the highest mountain in Western Hemisphere. Can you name? Can you name, children? Aconcagua. Aconcagua is the highest mountain in Western Hemisphere. Last one is Dash is the only river in England. Thames River is the only river in England. Important things you have to memorize. Which river is the only river in England? Thames River. Which sea is on the west coast of India? Arabian Sea. Which wind is the wind that blows in Saudi Arabia? Simoon. Very good. Simoon. Next page is about write the odd one out in the box provided. First is Halle Berry, Indira Gandhi, Benazir Bhutto. Write the odd one out in the box provided. Indira Gandhi was the woman prime minister, Benazir Bhutto was the woman prime minister. So first one is odd one out. Halle Berry. Halle Berry is not the woman prime minister. Next, Dutch, French, bugs. Dutch and French is not the wind. Last one is wind. Odd one out is bugs. Bugs is wind. Bugs is wind, so it is incorrect. Odd one out. 4C. Caspian Sea, Black Sea, Harz. Again, Harz is not correct. Rest names are the names of the sea and Harz is the name of a river. Next, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, James I. James I. He was a king. Bhagat Singh, James I. Bhagat Singh and Rajguru were freedom fighter and James I was the king. So which one will be odd one out? James King. Next, Norta, Norwester, Norway. Which one is correct? Which one is odd one out? Not Norway, because it is name of the country. Norway is odd one out. It is name of the country. Next, fifth number. Given below are the pictures of great reformers. What do you mean by reformers? सुधारक. जो सुधार लाते हैं उनको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? रिफॉर्मर. जैसे Dayanand Saraswati, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar, all of them were reformer who brings good change in the society are called reformer. So given below are the pictures of great reformers. Identify them and write their names in the given space. First is Pandita Ramabai. Who is she? Pandita Ramabai. Next picture is of Vijay Pal Baghel. Vijay Pal Baghel. Next picture is of Vijay Pal Baghel. C. Picture is of Jamna Lal Bajaj. Next is D. In D picture is of Dhondo Keshav Karve. Dhondo Keshav Karve. And last one is of Medha Patkar. Do you know Medha Patkar was famous for what? Can any one of you say Medha Patkar? No. It is your homework. All of you will find out who was Medha Patkar. Medha Patkar. Related to conservation of forest. Next day you will inform me what you have found out. Medha Patkar. Yes. Now 6 number. Read the clues given below and circle their correct answers in the puzzle. Puzzle is given and you have to read the clues and then you have to find out the correct answer from the given puzzle. Like first one is river that flows in the Atlantic Ocean. It is Amazon River. ठीक है? Amazon River. Next, first woman honored with a stamp. First woman honored with a stamp. She was Queen Isabella. Queen Isabella. Next, largest palace in the private land is located here. Largest place in the private land is located here. It is Prague. Next, Atherton is a table found here. Australia. Answer is Australia. Atherton is a table found here. It is Australia. Next, La Poste is a postal service company of this country. La Poste is a postal service company of this country. It is of France. So you have to memorize all these things. Next is 7th number. Match the following. Dada Bhai Naroji. Have you heard name of Dada Bhai Naroji? Yes, he was grand old man of India. Dada Bhai Naroji was the grand old man of India. Next, C.R. Das. What is full form of C.R. Das? Can any one of you say? Chitranjan Das. Yes, he is related to, he is known as Deshbandhu. Okay. Next is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Lokmanya, he is known as Lokmanya. Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak. All of you must be knowing. Next is Samudragupta. Samudragupta is known as Napoleon of India. Next, Nagarjun, he is known as Indian Einstein. Okay, children. So this is all about question. This 5. Aparna, 5 minutes. This is all about match the following. Okay, match the following. Dada Bhai Naroji, He was known as what? Grand Old Man of India. Very important. Dadabhai Nauroji is known as Grand Old Man of India. C.R. Das, Chitranjan Das, known as Deshbandhu. Next, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, known as Lokmanya. Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Next is Samudragupta. Samudragupta is known as Napoleon of India. Next is Nagarjun, known as Indian Einstein. Okay? Very easy. Now, next is match the events with the dates on the timeline. Like, first one is 1967, Bolivia adopted its constitution. Okay? Next is 1793, Louis XVI was executed. Executed, you understand? What? EXECUTED. Can any one of you say? No. Then how did you say yes?
Ma'am, he appointed.
No. No.
लेजिस्लेचर का क्या मीनिंग बताए थे? वन हु मेक
Makes
लॉज
the law.
और एग्जीक्यूटिव हु
Implements
एनफोर्सेस द लॉ. Implement.
Louis XVI was executed in 1973 in executed murder.
हमको लगा कि एग्जीक्यूटिव बोल.
No, assassinated. Executed means assassinated means murdered. Okay? Next, 1848, revolution in Europe. 1848 is the date of revolution in Europe. Now, 1945 is the date of formation of UNO. United Nations Organization was formed on which date? 1945. And 1920, Mahatma Gandhi launched non-cooperation movement. All these dates are very important.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? When Satyagraha Andolan was here, can you say? Just now you have read. It was launched by whom? Mahatma Gandhi. Champaran Satyagraha was started by Gandhiji. In which year? 19? No. Was it 1927? Aparna, she is SST teacher, she must be knowing. Satyagraha Andolan?
1920-21 non-cooperation movement.
No, Satyagraha.
सत्याग्रह.
Perhaps 1927, perhaps. Perhaps. Exact date.
Exact.
Year, 1927, perhaps. As far as my memory is concerned, it was 1927, perhaps. I want to know the year. It is perhaps 1927, most probably. So, date is also very important. Like UNO was formed when Mahatma Gandhi launched non-cooperation movement, when Bolivia adopted its constitution, and when revolution in Europe was started. All these dates are very important, children. All of you will memorize the dates also. Okay? So this is all about fact file and test your wisdom. In fact file, today you have read about Indian Railways.
Yes, ma'am.
And in test your wisdom, you read many topics from different chapters. And all these topics are very, very important that you should know. Like first one, now I will raise some question. You have to answer. Akbar was a Mauryan ruler. Yes, Mughal ruler. Washington DC stands on the river Cam. It is incorrect. On which river? Yes, you are saying correct. Po, after that, Potomac. Okay. Next, H.J. Kama was the 5th Chief Justice of India. First Chief Justice of India. Good, very good. Now, next. Samudragupta is known as what? Napoleon of India. Very good. Dadabhai Naroji is known as Grand Old Man of India. Very good. Next, C.R. Das. What is full form of C.R. Das? Chitranjan Das. Very good. And Chitranjan Das is known as what? Deshbandhu. 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 And Nagarjun is known as? Yes, Indian Einstein. Very good. Very good. So with this, your class is over. All of you will learn all the topics that you have read in the classroom. Okay? Thank you, children.